Welcome to our channel. If your Fire TV stick is experiencing issues or running slowly, restarting it can often resolve many common problems. Follow these step-by-step instructions to properly restart your device. Step 1. The simplest method is to use your Fire TV remote. Press and hold the select button and the play-pause button simultaneously for about 5 seconds. Step 2. Your Fire TV screen will display a message asking if you want to restart. Select Restart from the options to confirm. Step 3. Alternatively, you can navigate to settings from the Fire TV home screen using your remote. Step 4. Scroll right and select My Fire TV or device and software depending on your Fire TV version. Step 5. Choose Restart from the menu options. A confirmation message will appear on your screen. Step 6. Select Restart again to confirm your choice. Your Fire TV stick will begin the restart process immediately. Step 7. Wait for the device to fully shut down and restart. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Step 8. Once restarted, check if the issues you were experiencing have been resolved. If problems persist, consider unplugging the device from power for 30 seconds. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.